Hi guys, and this is Eric, the founder of SafeDeal. I want to show you how to create account in SafeDeal for the first time when we're just logging. So when you get into SafeDeal, this is the kind of screen that we're going to find. We'll click register when you want to create account, or you can go to get started or even start selling down here. So I will click any of them, get started, which will still take me to registering page. Then here I will fill this form as usual. When you register, you have to always fill forms. So I will say my first name is SafeDeal, last name I would say Escrow, username, let me say SafeDeal again, SafeDeal, that's my username. Then email address, let me use one of our email addresses. In this case I will use support at safedeal.co.ke. and then phone number, I will use our SafeDeal phone number, the official phone number, which is 011-7276004. and then password, you can choose any password. You have to agree with the terms, because if you don't agree, it will not allow that. But also it's advisable to read the terms. So if you have a new person, you have not known the terms, kindly read them, because it's not good or it's not healthy for you to create account in something you don't fully understand. So you got to register, and you make sure that you fill the form correctly, because if you register, it will be guiding you. If there is any mistake when you're filling the form, it will tell you, for example, invalid phone number or blah blah. On the phone number, I forgot to mention, phone number shares heavily on that phone number. That is why we'll be making your payments and many other things. So you are kindly requested to use your phone number. If you have any issues with that, you can always seek support, so that we'll see how to help you. So at that point, you have clicked register, and you see it has brought us to login. But I want to tell you that at this point you can't log in, because SafeDeal is having added security to confirm email and all the rest. You cannot log in immediately. Right now you are inactive in the platform. So what you need to do is you need to go to your email that you just used when you are filling that first form. Ensure that you can access that email, and that is why the SafeDeal will send you the link that you'll use now to activate your account. So in my case, it was support. Let me check what support has, and boom, you can see it here. Activate my account. Then I will just click it. In your case, if you used your own email, you will also find the same kind of email. And kindly, if you go to your email and you didn't see it, then you can check your spam box. Sometimes this email land in spam box. So in my case, it is here. Just click activate my account, and it will take me directly to SafeDeal. So when it takes me to SafeDeal, then this is the kind of screen that I have. Okay, so you can see when you first register, you will realize that your account is not yet verified. So you cannot verify your account when you have not completed, because the other part, what you did was to create account, yes, but you also activated yourself. So you are active, and you went through your email and logged into SafeDeal and showing the dashboard like this one you are seeing here right now. For example, if you try to post a new item, because your intention here to sell is to sell or to buy, So you try to post a new item, but it takes you to update profile, which means the next step is to update your profile. So if you want to update your profile, you will come on your profile information, and then you say update my profile. Then it takes you here. You can see your phone number, and then you need to enter your national ID. I will just use a test national ID. Then you take a profile picture. You also use that. I want to use the SafeDeal, so I will come here and use that as profile picture. And then national ID picture, I also take national ID picture here. I use that. You have to use your real ID, your real profile picture, and just ensure you're using good photos, clean ones, because these are what we use to verify your account. So you must ensure that they are always, if it's ID, is always cropped well, and the profile picture is also well capturing your face. We are not going to show it to anyone, your profile picture, not even ID. These are your credentials, but we really need them to verify your account. So the current location, just fill the current location is wherever you are living now. In my case, I'm in Mombasa now, and for your case you will fill wherever you are. Then date of birth. The date of birth here should take the format. The date was 25th April. Date of birth, it should be April, but we can use any date there. Let me say it was not that. It says 04. That was April 25th 2024. That is the date of birth of SafeDeal. Then permanent address, this becomes your home, wherever you are, your home. That is why you'll write. For my case, my permanent home is somewhere called Madiang, and you start with P.O.box 24 Madiang, like that. And then account, I want to leave my account for both, but here you can choose whether you want to be buying a loan, you choose buyer. Whether you want to be selling a loan, you choose seller. And when if somebody who can do both of them, you say both. Remember, when you choose seller or when you choose both, you will have to fill. For example, if I choose seller here, we'll have to fill the business name. You'll put your business name. Business address, you'll also put your business address there, and business license number you'll put. All these things we'll have to confirm manually in the system, so you will have to put the correct details there too. So for my case, I wanted both buyer and seller, so I will save changes. So SafeDeal creates me account, and it takes me to my profile, and you can see how my profile looks like. So guys, if you failed to enter any field there, then you still may have problems in posting an item or accessing some of the SafeDeal's features. So you need to fill all those files, those fields that were in that update your profile form before you are able to go ahead. Now from here, what happens is that you still can have some problems, like here it tells you you cannot post an item, please wait for ID admin to verify your account. So it still now remains on our side with my team. That process takes less than 24 hours. Your account should be activated. So for now, I'm going to activate this one immediately, and then I will show you when it is activated. So I have verified this. Let me just refresh so that you see how it works. You can see now it tells us your account is verified. So yes, the account is already verified, and at this point now you can go ahead and use SafeDeal as you wish. Now you can post an item like we were doing, and you can see now it takes us to post a new item. So we'll continue from there. We'll be recording more videos on how to use SafeDeal appropriately. So guys, that is it for now. If you have any questions, you can reach us out through our contacts provided at the dashboard here. Our phone number, can WhatsApp, or even email us at that point. We also have social media accounts, guys. Kindly follow us, Facebook, WhatsApp, and all Twitter, Instagram. You will find us live. Bye.